The all-new Anglemaster-863 CNC Angle Line. A whole new automated loading system, kicking parts out day and night. Optional scribing and stamping part marks. Punch holes up to 1.5 inches in diameter, with 169-ton triple tool punch presses. Added notching capacity. Nibble slots in any direction and at any size. Maximum angle size is 8 by 8 by 1 inch. Maximum flat bar size is 12 inch by 1 inch. Maximum channel size is 12 inch by 4 5/16. The shear blade drops down with 527 tons of force, producing clean cuts on the thickest profiles. Advanced safety and profitability with the automatic Remnant kicker. Export CNC with Raptor 3D CAD/CAM software. Load. Run. Reload.